All right, so should you snag this 2020 or should you wait for 2021s to start hitting the lot or order a 2021? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Wide Body Nation. We got one of the last 2020 Charger wide body scat packs here. It's in frostbite exterior paint and it's got the black interior. This has about $5,000 worth of options on top of that $6,000 wide body package for the 2020 model year. And it has a very tasteful amount, putting you at a great price point of about $53,000. Again, a normal based out would be 48. This is about 53. You put the power dollars in there, that brings you down to about 48 out the door before you do any negotiating, dealer discount, military, student, any of that, employee price and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the options on this, and then we'll talk a little bit of pricing and strategy for 2020s versus 2021s later in the video. So with that being said, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to automatically enter you to win Apple AirPods Pro at 5,000 subscribers. We'll do that drawing on the live stream. So with that being said, let's check out the window sticker. All right, so we are here at AutoNation Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of South Columbus, Georgia. Chris just walked by right there. He is the man that will hook you up. And then Mitch is back there at the sales desk. He will also get that deal chefed up for you. So again, we got the 2020 Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack Plus. We got the base price plus the wide body package for $6,000, which you guys are already tracking. And then what you guys are looking for. It has the Plus group, which is getting you your nice seats, you know, your heated and cooled seats when we go over here. That's what's getting you this live action here. Cooled seats down here in the South, you gotta have them. You're getting all this other good stuff, you know, power seats, all that good stuff. Then you got your driver convenience group, which is very important for the look of your vehicle. That's gonna cost you 800 bucks, but that makes your headlights the same color as your LED daytime running lights, which in my opinion is money well spent. You have your nav group, so then you can go around, also providing you some of the additional features that comes with nav. And then you got your power sunroof, getting that nice ambient light in. I'm actually, you know, I'm kind of hot cold on sunroofs. For me personally, this sunroof kind of impacts my headroom, so I would either have to lean back or just not get one. Whereas in the Corvette, I brought the 2020 C8 out there, if you guys can see that. Those you can get with a clear roof, which actually doesn't impact my headroom. It might even be better headroom, and so I'm ordering one of those. Back to this car, let's check out some of the features and we'll get... All right, so should you snag this 2020 or should you wait for 2021s to start hitting the lot or order a 2021? Because as you guys know, you can't order 2020s anymore. So with the 2020s, one benefit is the incentive is $4,850 off, also known as power dollars. That's the customer cash incentive coming from Dodge, not from the dealership. And that's Dodge giving you money off and not even the dealer discount yet. Now, as far as 2021s go, the current customer cash or power dollars, as some people will call it for 2021 too, that is only $3,000 for the Scat Pack level, as opposed to, like we said, the $4,850. Now, is $2,000 a big difference? To some people, yes, to some people, no. What I would encourage you to do is if you want the best deal, if you can find a 2020 with exactly the options, the specs, the color, everything that you like, and you are very happy with it, in my opinion, you'll probably be able to get a better deal to the tune of a couple thousand, couple $100, because the power dollars is working in your favor. However, I would not advise, in my opinion, you guys trying to snag a 2021 or trying to snag a 2020 because you think it's a better deal, but then you end up paying for options that you don't want, whether or not you like the black hood or the sunroof. If you're paying for options you don't want, that is one way to basically lose money on a car deal, right? And especially with some of these options that don't really pay for themselves in the future because they're not trim levels, something you might want to consider. So like for instance, there's a 2021 Challenger right there that's got that nice red interior. That only has the $3,000 off, not the $4,850, because that's a 2021 and this one is a 2020. So if you can go snag a heck of a deal on a 2020 that you are 100% happy with, go for it. However, if you can't, then I would either recommend starting to comb through the cars.com and the Dodge website, speccing one out exactly as you want it and finding one that's hitting the lot, or you can go ahead and order one. I know SCAT pack ordering times are much, much shorter as far as from the time you order it to the time it's delivered than Red Eye, HELLCAT, and some of these other models that people are putting in orders for, and then it's taking forever to come in. So my Red Eye order is taking more than 4 months, whereas some of these guys who's ordered SCAT packs, they ordered them in November and they're showing up in December of 2020. It's a 2021. So let me know if you guys need help finding your car deals down below in the comments. If you need to, email me at 2740solutions@gmail.com. That information will also be down below. If you guys are in the Atlanta, Alabama, Georgia, Florida area, and you want either this car or there's some other great options here on the lot. We got a Red Eye over here. We got some used 2020 SCAT packs. And then we got the 2021s trickling in as well. Mitch just walked by and Chris is walking by as well. They will go ahead and hook you up. I can also show up for delivery of your vehicle, which, some people see as a pro, some people not so much. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. I'm gonna hop back in the C8. We're gonna take some of the dealership employees for the ride, some of those Dodge dealer, see what they think about the Chevy Corvette C8 Z51. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to get entered to win that 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Automatically enters you to win those $250 Apple AirPods Pro. If you haven't gotten your 4 free stocks yet, check the pinned comment and the description for your 4 free stocks with Webull. I use them. I have them as my primary stock trading app on my phone. Before, after hours trading, always good to go. And I'll see you for the next video.